Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to use Google Maps for Street View on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, let's navigate to the Google Maps app on your mobile phone and open it. Once the app opens up on the mobile screen, to have a street view, let's explore the Google Maps. Let's explore the Google Maps. Let's suppose I want to use Google Maps to view street in England on the map. Zoom in on the Google map and find the street you want to view. Tap anywhere on the street. Once you tap, a red navigation icon appears on that point. Now if you want to see the street view from the bottom left, tap on the street view icon. And there you go. You can explore the street view with clear vision and you can see the vehicles and buildings around the street. To see the street view in full screen, tap on the full screen icon and you can explore the street easily. And that's it. This is how you can use Google Maps for street view on your phone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.